Anything different na parang since it's gonna be shown in mobile, did we do anything different? Ano siya, it's shot as a movie. Si Direk May yung director namin. And it's shot as a movie, but yun, wala namang parang ibang kakaibang nangyari for this particular project.
In terms of, kano katagal lang ang series? Kada week?
Yung first episode is 45 minutes.
About 45 minutes yung first episode.
Tapos pwede nila yung panoorin. Once na-download na nila, pwede nila panoorin pa ulit-ulit. Anytime, anywhere. Yeah. First time to na merong mobile movie na kailangan mo talaga i-download and hindi mo siya mapapanood sa TV or YouTube. Exclusive lang sa ABS-CBN Mobile. Kaya we're asking for your help to spread the word na mag-ABS-CBN Mobile and mag-text na I want TV10 and send to 2135 para mapanood na nila.